Happiness is something elusive, or so most people think. The truth is, it is one of the simplest and purest things there is, but first, we have to know how to make it less complicated. If you want to be extremely happy, here are the habits you may want to develop. Laugh often. Laughter is the best way to lighten things up. It could be your life, a sticky situation, and your silliest or biggest mistake. In short, don't take life too seriously. Things will be a lot better, and life is happier when we put humor on it. Envision a happy life. What you envision, you become. This is true in so many ways. For example, when you envision success, success is what you shall be. The same goes for happiness. Even the simple thought that you would have a great day when you wake up works wonders. Think happy and be happy. With the right mindset, it gets a whole lot easier, you will see. Exercise as often as you can. One great way to uplift the mood is to exercise regularly. It helps dealing with the stress, it makes you healthier and definitely happier in so many ways. It also improves your mood and your motivation. Go out and enjoy your surroundings. Exercising often is not enough, you also need to go out and enjoy your surroundings. The morning brings a lot of promise, even to your happiness. Go out and bask in the sun, listen to the birds singing and enjoy the calm breeze. Practice gratitude. Appreciation of what you already have is a great way to start being happier. The simplest things in life are often what matters the most. When we don't focus on what we want and become grateful for what we have instead, no matter how little it may be, it is enough to make us happier, and happy we will be as the days go by.